Hey, what's up guys? Have you heard the news from this year's F8 conference? There is a new GoPro app feature that allows you to share your GoPro videos directly into your Instagram story. I haven't used my GoPro and my camera grip for a long time. I think it's time to go outside and make some videos. Now, when I come back later, I'm gonna show you how I try this new GoPro app feature, and I'm gonna publish my GoPro clip from my Instagram story. Hey, I'm Michael, I'm from Bavaria, Germany, and today I'm gonna do some action. Here I am, look at the beautiful scenery. Now I'm gonna change from camera grip to GoPro. Now guess what I'm up to. For the sake of testing the connection between GoPro and the Insta stories, I'm gonna jump into the water. Crazy, isn't it? What the hell? Okay folks, just got one try. Woo! Damn! That was crazy, but it was good. Gotta try that again? I don't think so. What am I gonna do next? I have to upgrade the GoPro app and Instagram. Let's go! What an effort to try a new app feature. After jumping into the lake, my voice sounds like I've just catched a cold, so I'm very sorry for that. In this little quick tip tutorial, I'm gonna focus on the new GoPro app feature. But if you want to learn more about the GoPro app, there are many excellent tutorials you can find on YouTube. Now, after having downloaded the clip from my GoPro to my smartphone, I'm gonna dive into the GoPro app. Now, what I'm gonna do first is tap the media icon on the bottom right, and when I tap the local tab, you can see the clip I've just downloaded. Now, after selecting the clip and tapping the share icon, you can see those little social media icons on the bottom bar. And right next to the Instagram logo, you can see the new stories icon you may be familiar with on Instagram. Now I'm tapping it. And what's really cool is that you can swipe the clip left or right to find your right crop, and I think you can't even do this on Instagram. But there is one restriction: you can only use it on the iPhone's iOS. On the bottom timeline you see this little blue frame, which you can also slide to the right or left to trim your clip and select the range. And the maximum range is preset to 15 seconds, which is ideal for Instagram stories, but you can lower the range if you need to. I'm going back to 15 seconds. Now here we go. I'm gonna check this out by tapping the play button. Now that should be okay for me, and I'm gonna tap on share. Takes a while. Now, after a little while, the GoPro app opens Instagram and sends your clip directly into your story. Now let's add a little text to it. My first clip directly shared from So let's add a little design to it. Okay, and I'm gonna add a hashtag GoPro. So it says my first clip directly shared from GoPro. And now it's ready to share. And here we go. Share. Finally did it. Now that was very easy to use, and it is a very cool feature that makes your life easier sharing GoPro clips to Instagram, and it lets me use my GoPro more often again. Now, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I'm planning to do more videos on video gadgets and video apps, tests, tutorials, reviews. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please like and subscribe. See you next time.